Hey guys! Today our topic is well point system and its purpose, types of the well point system, installation process of the well point system, advantages and disadvantages of well point system. So move toward our today's topic. What is well point system? A well point system is used for dewatering, because it can be used for a variety of excavations and groundwater situations. Dewatering of the water plays a significant part in determining the project's overall completion time. In many projects, several pump sets are accessible at a specific distance depending on the needs of the site. For such a well point dewatering system to work more effectively or efficiently, the ground hierarchies must usually be permeable in order for the well point to draw groundwater. Purpose of well point system. Well point is usually placed close to or around an excavation. This method can draw water up to a height of roughly 6 meters using a vacuum. Well point can be installed gradually as the excavation progresses in order to operate at deeper depths. They are used to lower groundwater levels. For steady work practices, a header pipe connects each of the small diameter wells in the system to the well point pump. The pump makes a suction in the header pipe in order to lift water out of the ground. Types of the well point system. There are two types of well point system: single-level well point, multi-level well point. Single-level well point. A well point is made up of a pipe that is 50 mm in diameter and 1 meter long. This has perforations that are protected by a screen to keep clogs out. On the lower end, there is a jetting nozzle available, also serving as a driving point. In this nozzle, water can only flow downward while the well point is being installed, thanks to a ball valve that is provided near the lower end. A riser pipe with much the same diameter as the well point is attached to the bottom end of the well point. The header pipe, a horizontal pipe at ground level, is where the riser pipes are connected. Header pipe is attached to a pumping device, and well point is kept separate by between 0.6 and 1.5. Water is jetted through riser pipes in a downward direction to insert the well point to the necessary depth. Once it has been installed, pumping is kept going until all excavation work has been done. While excavation is less than 4.5 meters deep, a single-stage well point system is employed. In soils with granules, they work well. The water table is lowered by 4.5 meters using the single-stage well point stage method. Multi-level well point. If excavation is greater than 4.5 meters, and a slope failure is possible, these systems are used. The installation of the well point occurs in stages in this system. Well point is set up in the first stage to a depth of roughly 4.5 meters and used until the water table is lowered by about 4.5 meter. After that, the area is excavated to a depth of 4.5 meters. Following this, the already excavated area has second stages of well point installed. Another 4.5 meter of water table lowering has occurred. The excavation is conducted in this manner until it reaches a depth of about 15 meters. Excavations deeper than 15 meter cannot be made using the well point system. Installation process of the well point system. There are three different kinds of wells: driven, dug-driven, and bored or drilled. Driven well types employ well points. The depth of the water table will determine how deep the well point needs to be. Location is crucial when using well point. For easier installation of the well point system, moist soil strata may be preferred. While installing your well point precisely, the entire point must be below the water table. Alternatively, the pump will only suction air. Please be aware that as the pump runs, the water table will ultimately lower, necessitating a point that is lower than the pump's capacity is able to link the water table down. Ensure the well point is submerged the entire length, and if possible, at least 2 feet beyond that to compensate for changes in the water table. Advantages of well point system. Well point can be quickly installed. In the majority of ground conditions, they require little upkeep. It is also possible to use steel self-jetting well point, which are beneficial in environments with little room for expansion, and reusable to rapid depressurization of confined layers encountered during construction. A well point can be installed inside tunnels and cross passages in locations with difficult soil properties, such as open gravel or overburden firm clays. Well point can be embedded using a small rotary drilling rig, and either temporary casing or conventional, and hollow stem augers. Disadvantages of well point system. Only water tables below 5 to 6 meters are recommended for use. With the well point dewatering system, it is recommended to use the case and foundation method for deeper excavations until the required water level is achieved. The well point must keep running. Using a machine-drilled hole is necessary for operating well point systems in soil that contains large boulders, clay, and gravel, which will raise the cost of installation. Applications of well point system. Building an underground water tank. The process of building foundation excavation. Lengthy sewer lines laying. Digging a tunnel work. Building of subways. If you enjoyed our today's video, then like and share our today's video and subscribe our channel.